Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use mindful presence to savor and acknowledge the moments of our journey, rather than focusing only on our destination. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position. Gently lengthen your spine, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Become aware of any tension you're holding in your body. Release any gripping in your forehead and eyes. Soften your lips and jaw. Relax your entire face. Melt the tension in your neck and shoulders. And with the next few breaths, let your inhales and exhales spread this feeling of relaxation throughout the rest of your body. Now, turn your attention to your breath, deepening and lengthening your inhales and exhales. Long, slow inhales. Soft, lengthy exhales. And now, allow your breathing to return to its natural shape. Let your breath settle back into an intuitive, effortless rhythm. And in an effort to keep our minds focused on the breath, we'll begin to count them. The idea isn't to reach a certain number. Instead, we're using a count to stay present and mindful with each inhale and exhale. Find a natural breath, and at the end of your exhalation, silently count 1. And again, inhale and exhale. Count 2. Breathe in and all the way out. Silently count 3. If you lose your count, simply start again at 1. If your mind wanders into thought, lovingly begin again at 1. Drop any judgments and labels, returning again and again to the ebb and flow as you count your breaths. And if you reach the count of 5, gently start anew at 1. Now allow your count to dissolve, but maintain your awareness on your breath. Stay present with your breathing as it flows in and out of your body. And begin to open your attention to what's happening in your body. Without seeking anything out, become aware of any sensations that arise in your physical body. Let go of any right or wrong. There's no need to get caught up in the sensations or even to name them. Just stay present with your breath and your physical sensations as they come and go. Now gently widen your attention. We all have goals and aspirations. Perhaps it's discovering our dream job, buying the perfect home, or finding our soulmate. But once we reach these destinations, we often notice that the initial rush of happiness quickly fades away. Our new job comes with a controlling boss, and our perfect partner never does the dishes. When we focus only on the end results, we end up fluctuating between endless ups and downs, successes and failures, and we miss the opportunity for joy in our everyday. Goals and dreams are important. They keep us motivated and growing. So the idea isn't to drop all of our aspirations, but rather to realize that our happiness doesn't depend on reaching our objectives. Instead, mindfulness teaches us that contentment and well-being actually come from being present. We've all heard the saying, happiness is a journey, not a destination. As we learn to stay in the moment rather than focusing on the future, we develop gratitude and appreciation. Just by breathing deeply and noticing the landscape of our sensations, our practice teaches us how to be present and enjoy the simple things around us. So when we take this off of the meditation cushion, watching the sunset, talking to a loved one, or savoring a bowl of soup can fill us with contentment and satisfaction. And the good news is, we can tap into this source of happiness every day, in every moment. Now gently return to your breath and notice how you feel. Bring soft movements back into your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again soon.